What's up, y'all? This your girl, Red Bottom Diva. If he buy me some red bottoms, I just might keep them. Trying to show y'all and put y'all on game about how to be a boss. Yeah, y'all see it on my shirt. How to be a boss, okay? Because I am the Red Bottom Diva. That means the only time I talk to a man is if he buy me some red bottoms, okay? And if that's the case, then you know that I'm a boss. Alright, and it's not something, difficult to acquire. If anything, it just takes a hustle mentality. You gotta know what you want is what you gonna get, okay? So, I just want to show y'all how to be a boss in the club, alright? Because we all know that every Friday night we got to be in the club, okay? So, here's a little 1-2 step video. Comment, like, subscribe, whatever. You know what I'm saying?
Work it out, ayy, work it out, ayy, yo, triple D, ayy, yo. See, what you gonna do right here is just flow with the music, like so. Ayy, Biggie Ratchet, ayy, yo. Dougie for the D, triple D, ayy. Walk away. And drop it low, ayy. And when they think you tired, this what you gonna do. What you looking at, bitch? What you looking at? Yo, what you looking at? I'ma show you, work, twerk, yo, hey. You can just freestyle this part.
They ain't ready out. 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 Hey, I'm back. That, my friends, is how it's done. Okay, that's how you be a boss in the club. Number one, you do whatever the fuck you want to do, okay? It don't matter if you know the dance moves or not. You just do it. Number two, you always gotta look around and throw. What? Look around and throw, okay? If you look around after you do your dance moves and you throw your hair, that make it look like you confident, even if you not. Okay, look around and throw. All right, number three, what else did I do? You gotta have on some red bottoms. Okay, you got to have on some red bottoms. That's the only way it's gonna get done. And number four is you gotta always think in your head, they ain't ready though. They ain't ready though. They ain't ready though. They ain't ready though. Okay, so that, my friends, is how to be a boss in the club. Now these are the fundamentals that also apply to life. Okay, stay confident, watch it and throw. They ain't ready though. In the other one that I can't remember at this time, but it's okay though. Also, before I end this video, I do want to let you know that I'm here to stay. Okay, this your girl Red Bottom Diva. I ain't going nowhere. Escape, she gonna let me take over every once in a while. Okay, so please like, comment, subscribe, and share. I can't talk today, but it's all good though. Okay, so do that. And comment below if you want to see me do any more tutorials, if you want to see me rhyme a little bit, because I am Red Bottom Diva and that's what I do. If he buy me some red bottoms, I just might keep them. Okay, and yeah, just make sure y'all know I'm here to stay and I'm a boss. Deuces. Triple yay, triple yay, triple yay. InDAClub here with my final thoughts. I was just editing that video that you just watched, and hopefully you enjoyed it. And I was like, you know what? I really like how this video came out. I would be thoroughly entertained. But I don't know if these people realize that I'm not really Ratchet, because I didn't start off without being Ratchet. So here is my disclaimer. That is definitely a character. InDAClub is not as ratchet as a Red Bottom Diva. Where is she? I don't know. We shall see. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed what you watched. And I hope you guys are enjoying my channel so far with Wild Out Wednesday. This is the first Wild Out Wednesday. And basically what that is that I will be doing one of my favorite improvisational characters that I've just come up with from life inspiration. So next week I may be Brianna Fendi from Barbados. We shall see. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. You have a great night. Peace and blessings. Or have a great day if you're watching this during the day. And namaste from Esquire.